far inside. I passed the graveyard, the headlights flash. It looks like I'm racing tonight.